Hi. Today, we will see how to execute equity trades from TradingView to the Dhan broker platform. We will execute an equity trade via an indicator. I'm on the equity chart of SBI stock. Let's see a simple indicator code. See, this is an indicator function with the name Dhan alerts. If a candle is green, we will fire an alert using an alert function. You may use the alert condition function as well. So here, we show a buy message. And the alert will be executed when the candle closes, as we have defined such a frequency. We are not doing anything else in this indicator. You may create the indicator as per your choice. We will need to modify this indicator later. I have added the indicator to the chart. OK. Now, go to the Dhan broker's web terminal and log into your account. Such a dashboard will open. Click the Orders option here. Select the Webhooks option. First, we need to activate our webhook. For that, click the Manage button. From here, you can select the validity of the webhook. I'm keeping it 24 hours. The webhook will expire after 24 hours, and I will have to activate a new one then. Now, click the Generate New button. Such a webhook URL will be generated. Copy and paste it somewhere. We will need it later. Now, here, select the Equity option. Click the Add Script button. In this window, type the name of the stock upon which you want to take a trade. I have typed SBIN. Select a suitable option from this list. OK. Now see here. SBI is selected. Segment is equity. Product type is intraday. You may choose intraday or delivery from this list. Quantity is 1 share. Price type is market. So we are going to execute a trade at the current market price. If you want, you can unselect this option and type your desired price. And see, green-colored B is written here. That means we are going to buy. If you click this B, it will turn into a red-colored S, which means sell. I will keep it at buy as before. Now, after checking all these details carefully, click the Generate JSON button. Such a JSON string will be generated. Click this button to copy this JSON. Now, go back to the TradingView. We need to modify the code. Create such a variable. See, I have written 2 single quotes here. Now, paste that entire JSON string inside these single quotes. Like this. Now, instead of this buy message here, write the alert message variable. OK. Now our indicator is ready. Let's set up the alert. Select the More option here. Click the Add Alert on Dhan Alerts option. Dhan Alerts is the name of my indicator. Your indicator name may be different. In this window, adjust the expiry date if you want. No need to touch anything else. In the message section, give an appropriate name to the alert. Now, in the notifications section, select the places where you want the alert to appear. I have selected Toast Notification, so that I will see the alert in my browser. Now, the most important option here is this webhook URL option. Paste your Dhan webhook URL here. Finally, click the Create button. Go to the Alerts section here. And see if the alert is present or not. Now, we will wait for a green candle to appear on the chart, because that is our condition in the code. See, green-colored candle appeared. And we get an alert like this. Now go to the Dhan web portal again. Go to the Orders section. Here I can see an SBI trade successfully executed. Remember, if you do not want further trades to be executed, then remove the alert from the TradingView. Or, if you are afraid to try this thing practically, then do not keep any money in your Dhan account, and then try it out. That way, your order will get placed here, but it will be rejected by the exchange due to insufficient funds. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to execute an equity trade from TradingView to Dhan Broker's terminal using a webhook. In the next few videos, we will learn how to execute futures trades, options trades, and also how to execute trades via a TradingView strategy instead of an indicator. Thanks for watching.